You got a smart security camera for peace of mind, but instead, you're getting bombarded with endless notifications every time a car drives by or a squirrel runs across the lawn. It's annoying, it drains your camera's battery, and it makes you ignore the alerts that actually matter. Sound familiar? As your savvy tech advisor, I'm going to show you how to fix this in under 60 seconds using a feature called motion zones. Almost every smart camera app, Ring, Nest, Wyze, Eufy, you name it, has this feature. Motion zones allow you to tell your camera exactly where in its field of view it should actually look for motion, and ignore everything else. Here's how to set it up. Open your camera's app and go to the settings for the specific camera you want to adjust. Look for an option called Motion Detection Settings, Motion Zones, or Activity Zones. You'll typically see a grid or an outline overlaid on your camera's live view. Now, simply tap or draw to select only the areas you actually care about. For a front door camera, you'd select your walkway and porch, but deselect the busy street and sidewalk. For a backyard camera, you might select the patio door and gate area, but deselect the swaying trees or the neighbour's fence. You can often create multiple zones and even adjust the sensitivity for each one. Take a minute to carefully draw your zones, focusing only on the critical areas where you absolutely need to know if there's movement. And that's it. By telling your camera what to ignore, you'll dramatically reduce those useless notifications, save battery life on wireless cameras, and ensure that when you do get an alert, it's something worth paying attention to. It's the single best setting to optimize for a smarter, less annoying security camera experience. For more practical smart home tips from the Logic Lair, make sure you subscribe.